Okay. So good morning and Jai Hind everyone. Today we are starting a new chapter that is mensuration. And mensuration chapter is a very important chapter. Let me tell you first why. Mensuration chapter is very important because in mensuration we study the measurement of different shapes. Okay. Remember in this chapter you will study measurement of different shapes. Now, I told this is very important. This chapter is very important. So let me know why this chapter is very important. Because here we are doing the measurement of different shapes. और अगर आप बात करो अपने surrounding की, each and every place where you play, where you study, where you are sitting, where you are sleeping, where you are eating, where you are going to play, where you are going to see the things, where you are going to watch movie. Matlab like wherever you go, India, outside of India, or wherever, you will find different kind of shapes. Okay, and how much the shapes are in your surrounding, you will feel like if you will find the pattern in the shapes, you will find more beautiful the place is. Okay, for example, if you find at your room, I'm talking about your own room where you are sitting right now, all the four walls on which is there on your right side, left side and front and back, अभी आप देखोगे कि सारी की सारी वॉल एक शेप की है. कैन यू इमेजिन अगर मैं आपकी वॉल्स को एक वॉल को ऐसा कर दूं, एक वॉल को ऐसा ही रहने देते हैं जैसा ये है, एक वॉल को ऐसे कर दें और एक वॉल को कर दें ऐसे. व्हाट डू यू से, आपका रूम कैसा लगेगा? इमेजिन करके देखो, आंख बंद करके सोचो जरा, क्या आपका रूम जिसमें अभी आप बैठे हुए हैं, क्या वो रूम बैठने लायक रहेगा? क्या आप उसमें बैठ पाओगे प्रॉपरली? एक जगह से ज्यादा झुका रहेगा, जगह ही नहीं रहेगी. एक जगह से काफी ज्यादा जगह रहेगी. ना हम उसमें प्रॉपर बैठ पाएंगे, ना हम उसमें प्रॉपर खा पाएंगे, ना हम उसमें प्रॉपर सो पाएंगे. ठीक है, बिकॉज यू विल नॉट हैव द सेम पैटर्न ऑफ द शेप. ओके, और बेटा याद रखिए, कोई भी बिल्डिंग हो, कोई भी बिल्डिंग, चाहे वो ताजमहल हो, या वो आपका घर हो, या वो आपका स्कूल हो, या कोई डिफरेंट फेमस मॉन्यूमेंट हो, कोई फेमस बिल्डिंग हो, या कोई फेमस विजिटर्स प्लेस हो, वो तभी ब्यूटीफुल लगती है बेटा जब उसमें यूज किए हुए जो शेप्स होते हैं वो सेम पैटर्न के होते हैं. ओके, सेम थिंग हम आपके घर की भी बात करते हैं. अगर आपका घर उतना ब्यूटीफुल तभी दिखेगा जब आपके घर में जो शेप्स यूज हुए हैं, जिनको बनाया गया है, जिसके थ्रू बनाया गया है, वो सेम पैटर्न के हो. अगर एक रूम में 4 खिड़कियां हैं सपोज, और चारों अलग अलग शेप की हैं, तो आपका घर सुंदर नहीं दिखेगा. इसलिए घर बनने से पहले सारी खिड़कियां, सारे दरवाजे सेम शेप और सेम साइज के लगवाए जाते हैं, ताकि हमारा घर का इंटीरियर अच्छा दिखे. ठीक है, सो रिमेंबर, दे शुड ऑलवेज बी ऑफ द सेम पैटर्न फॉर just increasing the beautification of the interior. Okay, so remember, shape is very important in our life. एंड अगर शेप रहेंगे तो शेप का मेजरमेंट भी पढ़ना पड़ेगा. ठीक है, और शेप का मेजरमेंट हम किस चैप्टर में पढ़ते हैं? मेंसुरेशन चैप्टर में. ओके, सो रिमेंबर दिस मेंसुरेशन चैप्टर इज very important. Now let's know about in this mensuration chapter. वैसे तो we have many shapes to study, but in your class, in class 6, you will mainly talk about two shapes in this mensuration chapter. What are those two shapes? The first one is rectangle. Please draw all of you this rectangle on your copy. Okay, this is rectangle. Also, you will study about square. Now I will explain it to you. What are the difference between these two shapes? Okay. Now if you will see the first figure, which is a rectangle. Now, right now, I am giving you the perfect example of rectangle is the four walls of your room. Okay, जहां पर आप बैठे हुए हैं उसकी जो चारों दीवारें हैं जहां पर अभी आप बैठे हैं, this will be the example of rectangle. Maybe in some rooms the wall can be also in the shape of square as well, but most probably ज्यादातर घरों में rectangle का shape मिलेगा. One more example I can show you, the board on which right now I am writing. जिस board में मैं अभी लिख रही हूँ, this is also the example of rectangle only. Now, what is rectangle? Remember, in rectangle figure, opposite sides are equal in length. Now, how? Look at here. Suppose if it is of 10 meter, this line segment is of 10 meter, so this will also be 10 meter only. Okay, and if this is 5 meter, this will also be 5 meter only. Fine. Remember, the corners of this rectangle, corner means angles which I am talking about. This angle, this angle, and this angle, and this angle are right angle. Means each of is 90 degree. Okay, each angle is of 90 degree. So remember, rectangle is a shape on which the opposite side are of same length and this opposite side are of same length. Okay. Also, each angle of rectangle is a right angle. Right angle का मतलब होता है 90 degree. ठीक है. So each angle is of right angle, that is 90 degree. Now move on to the square part. Square part में remember you have square. Square comes from the figure rectangle only beta, because this is also each angle has 90 degree only. Each angle is of 90 degree. So ये भी rectangle की ही family से belong करता है. लेकिन what is the difference between rectangle and square? The difference is this: in rectangle, pair of opposite side is equal. One pair of opposite side, this one is equal. One pair of opposite side, this one is equal. But in a square, all four sides are equal. Okay, all the four sides are equal. Now, look at here. This, if it is 5 meter, this will also be 5 meter. This will also be 5 meter. And this will also be 5 meter. Okay. So remember, when you talk about square, all the four sides are of same length. And when you talk about rectangle, opposite side are of same length and this opposite pair of will be of same length. This is the main difference. And what is the similarity between them? Similarity मतलब दोनों में same क्या होता है? The same is that each angle of rectangle and each angle of a square is of 90 degree. Okay, please draw this figure on your fair copy till I can answer doubts.